In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect the Bolt.new website to Netlify. If you're looking to streamline your deployment process and leverage the robust hosting capabilities of Netlify, you've come to the right place. First things first, you will need a Netlify account. If you haven't already created one, take a moment to sign up on the Netlify website. It's a fairly straightforward process, and having this account is essential as it will serve as the bridge between Bolt and Netlify. Now, let's get into the meat of the process, connecting Bolt to Netlify. Start by navigating to your Bolt account. Once you're in, head over to Settings. This is found under your Personal Settings menu. In the Settings section, look for Applications. Here, you'll want to find the Netlify integration. It should be easy to spot. Click on Connect to initiate the integration process. You'll see a prompt to log into Netlify. This uses OAuth, a common authorization framework that allows you to grant Bolt access to your Netlify account safely. Authorize the connection, and just like that, Bolt is linked to Netlify. With this integration in place, you can now publish new projects via Netlify. This is where you can capitalize on Netlify's hosting advantages. When you create a new project in Bolt, you now have the option to choose your hosting provider. Instead of using Bolt's hosting, you can select Netlify. To do this, go to the project's Domains and Hosting settings. From the Hosting Provider drop-down menu, choose Netlify. Once you've made your selection, you're ready to move on to the next part. Hit Publish to trigger deployment. In Bolt terminology, publish is the equivalent of deploying your project to the World Wide Web. For those of you who have existing projects that were published with Netlify before Bolt rolled out its own hosting service, rest assured, you can still continue using Netlify. Bolt has made provisions for this so you can maintain consistency. It's important to ensure that your Netlify account is connected as part of this ongoing integration. There might be some additional guidelines to follow, particularly around keeping your configurations up to date, but once you've confirmed the connection, it should be smooth sailing. And there you have it. Connecting Bolt.new to Netlify offers a seamless way to deploy your projects, taking full advantage of Netlify's speed and reliability. Thanks for watching, and happy deploying.